Hello everyone. Today we have a third class on chapter 3rd, that is coordinate geometry. This class is mainly on the summary in which we are going to revise the whole topic briefly, and if there is something new then I will tell you there only. So let's get it started. The topic is coordinate geometry. First point is two perpendicular number lines intersecting at point 0 are called coordinate axis. I have already told you in a summary part. Now, the horizontal number line is called x-axis, that is denoted by x dash O, x, where O is the origin. And the vertical line is called the y-axis, that is denoted by y dash and O, y. The point of intersection of x-axis and a y-axis is called origin and denoted by O, whose coordinates are 0, 0. Cartesian plane is a plane obtained by putting the coordinate axis perpendicular to each other in the plane, also called the coordinate plane or xy plane, or what it is called, it is also called as a rectangular plane. Next, the x coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from y-axis. What? X coordinate is a perpendicular distance from where? Just opposite of it, that is a y-axis. In the same way, y coordinate is perpendicular distance from the same opposite of it of x-axis. After that, the point where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect is represented by coordinates points that are 0, 0, and is called, what it's called? It is called the origin. After that, the abscissa of a point x coordinate, the ordinate of a point is the y coordinate of the point. What we have learned? We have learned the abscissa is the x coordinate while the ordinate is named the y coordinate. After that, if the abscissa of a point is x and the coordinate of a point is y, then the x, y are the coordinates of the point. What it is written? It is written if the x, y is a point where this is an abscissa and this is an ordinate, then these both together are known as coordinates. Have you understand? Now, second, after that the axis divide the Cartesian plane into 4 parts is known as quadrants. 1/4 part means each part of 4 numbers are in numbers, then 1/4 is known as quadrant. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 anti-clockwise from the OX means in this direction. Understand? After that, the sign of the coordinate depicts the quadrant in which it lies. The coordinates of a point are of the form plus plus in the first quadrant, minus plus in the second quadrant, minus minus in the third quadrant, and the plus minus in the fourth quadrant. Understand? After that, it is written the coordinates of the point on the x-axis are of the form x, 0. If the point lie on the x-axis, then it have only a abscissa, that is x, 0. If the point lie on the y-axis, then it has only ordinate, that is 0, y. After that, the plot a point 3, 4 on the Cartesian plane. Start from an origin and count 3 units on the x-axis, positive of x-axis, and then move 4 units towards the positive y-axis. The point at which we will arrive will be the 3, 4, means you have to move positive direction of x and the positive direction of y, and where these both points meet, that point is known as 3, 0. That is the plot of a point on the Cartesian plane. Last point is, if x is not equal to y, then x, y is not equal to y, x. If x, y is equal to y, x, then x is equal to y. It is whole theory shows that the point is not 1, 1, then we cannot write it as 1 comma 1, means if it is 1 comma 2, so it is not equal to 2 comma 1, while the 1 comma 1 is equal to 1. Understand? Okay. So here we are going to complete our third chapter, that is coordinate geometry, wholly with the introduction as well as a Cartesian plane, and this is our third class which is based on the summary part. So here we are going to complete, now we have whole completed the chapter by the 3 classes that are introduction, Cartesian plane and the summary class. So thank you so much for this the chapter as well as for this the class. Thank you so much.